Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: your Ultimatix ID, password, ESS role, and the employee number. Open Ultimatix in Chrome or Edge and log in. This ensures single sign-on tokens refresh. Once logged in, navigate to the HR or time management tile. This is where night shift allowance settings live. Make sure you have cost center and exact shift dates at hand, because you'll enter them immediately, and saving time here prevents rework later. You now open the allowance or shift allowance form and select the night type. This tells the system the rule set to apply. Enter start and end times and the exact dates, because calculations depend on precise hours. Attach the roster or manager approval if the form requires supporting documents, then input cost center and allowance amount per shift. Once done, use the preview or calculate button to confirm totals and watch for auto-validated warnings. They explain why a row might be rejected. You submit the request and note the approval chain displayed. This determines who signs off. After submission, check My Requests to monitor status and download the PDF receipt for records, which helps during audits. If the request requires manual approval, ping your approver with context and the attached roster. Troubleshooting tip: if the system rejects the claim, read the rejection message carefully. Most failures are mismatched times or wrong cost center.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.